Hi, it's Jennifer from Gears in Heaven, and I'm here with
Phil.
Phil, where are you from?
I'm from Boston.
Boston,
Yeah,
no
so I drove all the way
way.
down to Connecticut for this show.
Awesome. Is this your first show?
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
Okay.
This is my first show for this group.
Awesome. And do you do other shows in your town where you're from?
Yeah, so I'll do a lot of shows around like Rhode Island, Connecticut, New Hampshire, and Massachusetts area, basically New England.
Okay,
Yeah.
and of course you always show this car
Yeah.
behind us. So let me just show you this car. So this is his.
Toyota
so-
Supra.
Yeah, tell me about your car.
Yeah, so this is a 2020 Toyota Supra. It's the 3.0 version, and the trim line's premium.
Okay. And tell me, what do you do for work?
So
Because that's
I do-
going to be definitely a question.
So I do health compliance for one of the hospital systems out in Boston.
Okay. So does every dime that you own go to this car, pretty much?
Almost. Yeah.
Yeah. And what is your favorite thing about your car?
Personally, I think probably my stitching. So I'll show
Okay.
you the stitching. So the stock cars don't have yellow stitching, so I
Okay.
did that all by myself. So it's along the door handle, the trim,
Wow.
the seats.
Let me just get a
and-
closer look at
yeah.
that. Awesome. So if you guys can see this yellow stitching going across inside the car. Wow. That's incredible.
It's not like the most like fancy or like expensive map, but that's something I took a lot of blood, sweat, and tears into to customize that my own.
Do you drive this car like to work?
No, I don't. I have a daily car. I have just a plain BMW that I take
Okay.
regularly. So this is like my fun show car. that I
Your
bring.
fun show car. That's incredible. And what would you say to somebody who like is just starting out in the car community? Would you tell them like to start small and work their way up? Tell them to dream big and go for the big car right away? Like, what would you say about that?
Yeah, I mean, it's really based on their budget, right? So if you have a small budget, get something small. There's a lot of cheap cars that are out there that you can really personalize, and a lot of things that are easily you can modify on the cheaper cars. But obviously, for the more expensive cars, if you have the money, go for it, right?
Right.
And
Absolutely.
do modify it the way you want it, right? Don't try to copy someone else, or don't try to be persuaded by other people's influences
Okay.
on how you should modify your own car. Because a lot of the stuff that I have on mine, it's what I thought would look nice on it. It's me. Right?
It's you,
Yeah.
right? It's all personalized. It's awesome. It's chick magnet.
No, not really.
Yeah, I think so. I'm sure it is. And what do you use the top portion for? So on top of your car?
This is my roof box at Thule Alpine Vector. It stores a lot of stuff in it, really. All
Okay.
my cleaning supplies, and I actually put it on my BMW when I go skiing. So it's multi-purpose. So it's not just for show.
Beautiful. Well, thank you so much for letting me
Thank
talk
you.
to you.
It was a
Thanks.
pleasure.
Thanks so much. Take
I look
care.
forward to coming to your show.
Awesome. Perfect. Thank you.